How to extract zip files on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you. Today without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open the file folder where your zip file is. Then simply click on it. Right click on it. After you right click on it, click on extract files. After you click on extract files, it will lead you to this page. Here, select where you want it to be extracted and press on OK. After you've chose the folder and pressed on OK, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here you will find all the extracted files from that folder. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to extract zip files on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.